Hi, this is Chandresh Narayanan for Midday. We are back again at Dubai International Stadium, and so are Chennai Super Kings. They are back after a week long break. From their point of view, they would think that's a well deserved break because of all the misfortune that they have had before the start of the tournament, during the tournament, and now they're looking for a change of luck. And that change of luck could come with the news that Ambati Rayudu and Dwayne Bravo could well take the field against Sunrisers Hyderabad in a needle clash at the Dubai International Stadium. Sunrisers Hyderabad are coming off an emphatic win over Delhi Capitals. So this clash is very, very interesting. Let's look at Chennai Super Kings first. Chennai Super Kings have had all the problems possible any side could face during the course of a tournament. You all know what happened with Suresh Raina and Harbhajan Singh before the tournament. During the tournament, we have had issues with injuries and bad form of Murli Vijay at the top of the order, and Ruturaj Gaikwad has looked out of sorts in the middle overs. Add to it the fact that Mahendra Singh Dhoni has himself confessed that he doesn't have the confidence to come up the order. Chennai Super Kings have everything going wrong for them. Probably the good news that Ambati Rayudu is fit and able to take a place in the middle order means the good news is around the corner. Plus the return of Dwayne Bravo, the champion Dwayne Bravo, means that Mahendra Singh Dhoni finally has the kind of bowling attack that he likes to maneuver around on a cricket field. We could probably even see the like of Imran Tahir making a return to the Chennai Super Kings lineup because he's a very experienced, very wily leg spinner and a very experienced campaigner that Mahendra Singh Dhoni could bank upon considering the poor form of Piyush Chawla. On the other hand, Sunrisers Hyderabad are coming off a very good win, like I said, over Delhi Capitals. Their openers, David Warner, the captain, and Johnny Bairstow have done well. It's the middle order that's the problem because you have the young guns, Abdul Samad, the new boy from Jammu and Kashmir, Priyam Garg and Abhishek Sharma, who are shepherding the middle order. But the presence of an experienced Kane Williamson, the former captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad, could mean a huge plus for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Manish Pandey has also been in decent form so far in this tournament. The surprise factor for me has been their bowling. Natarajan, Khalil and Bhuvneshwar Kumar did quite well at the death overs against Delhi Capitals. They used the Yorkers to good effect. And then you have the champion leg spinner, the best spinner in T20 cricket, Rashid Khan, in their attack. He bamboozled Delhi Capitals. I'm looking forward to the contest between Rashid Khan and Imran Tahir. Two champion leg spinners on the same field could be a mouth-watering contest. Something the batsman wouldn't like, but I would like and you would like. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.